911.
Hello.
Operator Burnett. Where is the emergency?
This boy just shot my girlfriend.
What's your address? What's your address? What is the address?
Ridgecrest. What the
Ridgecrest?
Yes, please.
What's your name? Ma'am, what's your name? Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
What?
Ma'am, tell me exactly what happened.
I don't know what to do.
Who did this?
What? I can't be here.
How old is she?
I'm sorry. Babe.
Ma'am, is she?
Babe, shut the f*** please. Okay, don't, please, don't. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
We heal for her.
Okay.
Ma'am, who is that?
Don't make me crazy, bro.
Please. Yes.
Don't make me crazy.
Who is that?
Ridgecrest Road.
Okay, where's she shot?
Man, you think I feel good?
No.
I love her.
I know.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes.
I love her.
I know.
You think I feel good? That's my fucking woman.
No.
Hey, show me your hands right now. Show me your fucking hands right now.
Show me your hands. Drop.
2 bigger shots fired.
Officer Weaver discharged his weapon several times, striking the suspect. The other officer did not fire his weapon.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach now! Lay on your stomach now! We're gonna help you lay out! Put your arms out to your side! Hey! Lay on your stomach! Alright, I'm holding.
Officers approached the suspect, placed him in handcuffs, and began to render aid until EMS arrived. Other officers began rendering aid to the woman down on the sidewalk that was originally shot.
Help me, God.
Hold on. Lay down on your stomach.
On your stomach. Help me, God.
Get on. Where'd that gun go?
He's over there, right here. He's shot. Where you shot at, brother?
2 bigger, stand by on EMS right now.
Both the woman that was originally shot and the suspect shot by police were transported to the University of Louisville Hospital, where they were both pronounced deceased. LMPD is currently conducting 3 separate investigations. Our homicide unit is investigating the shooting of the woman police found on the sidewalk.